It is only after almost 10 years in the country that I discovered recently the residential complex of Rifle Range located within the Eretam suburb. This was thanks to Soon Yong Cho, art director and creator of Magic for Movies, currently working on the shooting of The Locksmith, who invited me to come and find out about one of their filming locations. Thanks, Soon. Rifle Range flats are the Penang state government's first low-cost and high-rise housing project. It is known as Phak Cheng Por in Hokkien or Padang Tembak in Malay. The name hails back to the 1950s when the place was used for shooting practice for the British. At the time, it was outside of town. All the 9 blocks A to J are almost identical, containing 3,699 similar one-room residential units and 66 shop lots. The area may look rundown and crowded, but for its thousands of residents, there is no place like home. Perhaps the advantage of living in Rifle Range, it is relatively close to town, the property is cheap, and if you're a single person living alone, the space is sufficient. Even though the residents are Chinese in majority, the 3 communities live in perfect harmony since over 50 years. Many of them are elderly who live there for years and years. We have met a few residents and shopkeepers, and this is what they said.
Wow, 心里哇，80，因为我很小出来打工了嘛，50多年了，小家庭就很好了，一房一厅罢了嘛，通通儿子大了，通通搬出去了，剩下是父母住在这边，因为这边呢交通方便，住方便，吃方便，所以老人不要搬出去了。
My name is Kadem Maidin Bimari. I'm selling here for 42 years. I'm staying in Pai Chibo. Okay, no problem. For Chinese, for Malay, for Hindu, everything. No rent, government one, $30 only. Been 40 years, no interest.
My name is Shanmunathan Sokalengam Pillai, 63 years old. I was born in this area. I got married to my wife in 1992. I can tell you this area where we are sitting is a cemetery, 1969. German company, they started this, one of the strongest flat. And the first flat in Penang. Very windy, very good, but this flat is a 1 bedroom, hall and a kitchen. Very low cost building. My father-in-law bought the house around $18,000. Now I think it can go to nearly 80,000 or 100,000.
My name is Krishna Kumar. Age is 50, 13 years I live here. Because last time I outside,
Demolition.
I come here. 2 daughters, 2 sons. The biggest one is my cousin brother's house. The other one is married. I, my wife, my son, and then eldest son. 4 people. Very happy.
À, Trần Xuân Nhiều, 上面楼下的8号门牌，我考到政府的，喜欢我住的，我住得很久了，在这边21年了。
My name is Johara and I live here about 52 years. So my parents' house is here. The community here, okay. The one problem is cleaning is not very good. That's the government was not serious. It's very good, you know. Very good place. Very happy. No problem. No problem. They will come into our house. I will also go to her house. My customer is many Chinese and the aunties.